Hi guys, in this tutorial we're going to continue looking at uh, another example of how to use having clause or having command with an aggregate function. So in this one we have a requirement that says prepare a report that shows the total number of salary each department pays at the end of the month. And your report should only show departments that pay over $4 million. Okay, so the way to look at this is to identify the number of columns that you need to show, and of course you can deduce that from the requirement. So this requirement wants to see department is stated there in the question, and also the total amount of salary being paid by each department at the end of the month. Okay, so in order to write the query, the first thing you want to do is to select those columns that should be part of your report. So we want to see departments, and of course anytime we want to see a total sum, we need the sum function. Sum salary. And where is this coming from? It's coming from employees table. From employees. Okay. And anytime we have an aggregate function column, an aggregate column, and a non-aggregate column, we group by the non-aggregate column. So group by salary. So let's run this. Um, line 4, select department, sum salary. Something is wrong here. Let's see. Select department. Maybe the spelling is right. I don't think so. Oh, group by. We are grouping by department. Excuse me. We should be grouping by department, not salary. Okay. So select department, some salary from employees, group by department. Now we have it. So a pharmacy is paying 3.5. Children clothing is paying 4.1. Camping 3.5. But the requirement says our report should only show those department paying over 4 million. So before we apply the having clause, let me quickly do something so that we can actually see if we have some department paying over 4 million. So we can just order by uh, this second, we can order by this second column, the sum column, order by this descending. And if you want, instead of saying order by sum salary, you can as well say order by 2 because that is the second column. So let's run this. Now you see first aid is paying 5.1, movies is paying 4.9, toys is paying 4.8, computers is paying 4.5, children clothing 4.1, clothing 4.1, and furniture is paying 3.7. So now we need to apply a condition because what the business wants from us is a report that shows only those departments that pay over 4 million. So they don't want to see furniture, they don't want to see cosmetics, decor. They only want to see those departments that pay over 4 million. And how do we do that? Is simple. So here you're not going to say where sum greater than 4 million because like I've been saying that anytime you want to filter using an aggregate column, what you need is having. So, and it comes after your group by. So I can come here and say having this column, sum salary column, having this column, we can say maybe greater or equals to 4 million. So what you are saying is, I only want you to show those departments that are paying 4 million and above. That's greater or equals to 4 million. So I will put the 4 million. So now let's run and see what we have. So we only have 8 rows, that is 8 departments. So let's see. First aid is paying 5.1, movies is paying 4.9, toys 4.8, computers 4.5, device repair 4.4, beauty 4.3, children clothing 4.1, and clothing also 4.1. So we only have 8 departments that meets this criteria, or that satisfies the business requirement. So this is the report that the management wants from us. Okay, so this would be the final example on using having clause together with aggregate columns. Spend some time, make sure that this makes sense to you, because in the next tutorial we're going to start looking at some more intermediate to advanced concept. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. And let me also say, if you've been watching this tutorial, if you've been following this tutorial, and you find it helpful, is interesting to you, please don't forget to like. Don't forget to put your comments. If there's something that I need to work on, please don't forget to put your comments. Don't forget to like the video. And if you also don't want to miss out on any of my upcoming videos, kindly subscribe so that whenever a new tutorial video is being uploaded, you'll be the first to get it. Apart from what we've been looking at, SQL for data analysis and also for business analyst, more courses will be coming on this channel. Okay, so just stay tuned. I will see you in the next one.